guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So I bought a camera. I'm finally using a vlogging camera for the first time instead of my phone. So this is really cool and I keep like resisting to look up. Today we are going fishing and yeah, I just wanted to vlog that a little bit. Oh my god.
Oh, wow. Nice job.
I don't even know where it went. Okay, here.
Just put it on. Here, give me. Give it to me.
Okay, that felt good.
Okay, we're done and we're moving locations and it's so hot. I'm like sweating so bad. We caught nothing except a baby flounder.
Literally released.
So we released it.
Well,
so yeah, nothing big. So we're moving locations to see what we can get. They say at like 6 o'clock the high tide's coming back, but we don't know. Okay, so they went to get more bait. And this song is super loud, so I can't really do anything. Also, there's a bunch of people just staring at me right in front of the car. So, yeah, they want to get some bait, and we're gonna go somewhere else. I will see you guys when we get to location number 2. Location number 2. 그래? Okay guys, so we're at location number 2 and I got a fish as soon as we got here and I was so happy. I'm the first one to get it out of all the guys.
Hi.
He just caught another one. Look at that. Okay guys, so I don't know if you can hear me right now because the AC is on blast. I'm in the car by myself because it is so hot out. I'm red and I definitely got tan, kind of tired too. And also, how is the quality of this video right now? Because I'm actually using a camera and not a phone. So it's really dark. Are you tired?
No.
You're weird. Oh my god.
Just to let you know.
Well, we're heading back and we're grabbing dinner, so that's what's happening. Super tired. I can't wait to see my dog. This is really bad lighting. I can't even see myself. So I'm back home and it feels so good to be back. We're gonna eat dinner even though it's like 10. And I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I love you guys so much. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs this video up if you liked it. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.